Hello you guys, welcome to Simple Stories Saturday. This is always a really fun thing when we have a focus of what we're going to work with. So Joanne Bartel, brainchild of this, I believe she did Pink Fresh Fridays as well. But I have this lovely photo of my niece. She's so cute. And then I'm going to play with Heart from Simple Stories. Quite an old collection. I thought some of the yellows kind of would play off her a little bit, so that's why I wanted to use this. And just for creative block's sake, I've had a lot of creative block and a lot of issues with motivation. We're going to do a freaky fast formula from the scrap room. I love these. They're seriously my favorite. So we're going to do this one. I'll have it pop up here. So we need a 10 by 10 piece, a 2.5 by 7 piece, a 5 by 9 piece, and a 3 by 4 piece. So I'm going to go ahead and measure this. So this is 4 inches. So I could do, and how long is it? I could make this my 2.5 by 9. Because I don't think I need these cards. 3 by 4 is just a card, so we will use this one. And so what I like to do, some people like to they like to plan all their stuff. I like to just go ahead and cut. Just cut and see where it takes you. Alright, so 2.5 by 7. I really like that pattern, so it was okay that the other side was the cut aparts. Some of these are really nice, but I'm okay with not using them. So I've got 2 pieces so far. What do I need yet? A 5 by 9 and a 10 by 10. Perfect. So none of these are going to be 5 by 9, but ooh, what's this one? Ooh, this is 6 by what? 9. We'll figure out what size we want. That'll be my 5 by 9. And then we just need a 10 by 10. That might be the one. I will leave this yellow out to mat things with. Ooh, we could do the flower one. That actually would be kind of cute. Her little face on there. I think we will. Let's see. Yeah. Look how cute she is. Yeah, and then we'll use this blue. Yep, okay. So this needs to be 5. It's not straight. Oh goodness. 5 by, what did I say, 9? Let's try and trim this bottom off so it gets flush, because that's the problem. The bottom was not flush. There we go. Alright, let's trim the photo up. I would love to leave a white border on this, but the heart part of it's already gone, so we will trim it off. We're going to mat it in this beautiful yellow. There we go. And the awesome thing about the Freaky Fest formula is you can have more. You can add more things to it. You don't necessarily have to have just those elements, but those are what need to be like your main things. Right, on the white, perfect. Okay. All right, so now I have all my pieces. I have a 10 by 10 piece, a 3 by 4 piece, a 5 by 9, and a 2.5 by 7. Plus a photo. I'm just gonna play with wonkiness here, see if that does anything. And then I just play. Ooh, but I wish I could reverse this. Do what this needs, stitching around each of these. Should I get my sewing machine out? I think I will. I gotta figure out where to put this card though. I might just have to be SOL and lose my little blue heart, or just go pick a different card. There were more, for sure. Ooh, I could even cut this one down to fit. Yeah, we could cut one of these down easily. Ooh, like that would be kind of fun. Just this blue, actually just this blue would actually be kind of fun. I don't know if I want to add more pattern. That one's fun. There's another gold heart. I think that needs to be fussy cut. Let's see. Oh, there's already so much blue over there though, yeah. I don't necessarily want blue. If I fussy cut that out, I think we're going to fussy cut the banner out. And then can I tuck the dark floral 3x4 in there? I think. Add some dark. Woo! That might be the best bet. Add some of that dark floral or some gray. Or just some dark blue. anchor it. There's got to be a card already that we could just use. It's hard when you're being lazy and trying not to, yeah, like this one. That's what it needs. Or does it need more? Do I have... I'll tuck it under that layer. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, we're gonna go stitch everything. So I'm gonna tack this down in the center like that. And tack this down like that. I'm gonna go take this to my sewing machine. I'm gonna stitch around each layer. And I'm going to fussy cut this heart and this I treasure you out. And we'll go from there. All right, so I went ahead and stitched all the way around. I kind of screwed up here. I thought this was going to be covered up, so I think I'll just leave it though. I'm not going to worry about it. But I started playing with all the embellishments that I had. I just have a few chipboard pieces. I fussy cut this out of a card. I fussy cut this out of a card, and we fussy cut this out of a card. This was a chipboard little dandelion. I love that. This is a puffy sticker from actually Citrus Twist. And I did some stitching onto the photo as well. And then this is just one of the chipboard pieces. So this is where all that's gonna go. I think I like that. At first I had my heart down lower, and then when I started playing with it though, it ended up getting covered up, and so I didn't like that. So I'm gonna do, hi, yes. I'm going to tuck that dandelion stem in there, and then we're going to do this I treasure you, and that'll be my title. So it's not much else needs to be done. I played around with tucking some things up there too, but I kind of like this, and I might just journal just a little line right here, like the date and that. So yeah, I'm going to get this glued down, and then I'll give you guys some close-ups. Make sure you check out everybody who is playing along down below, and we'll see you next month for another Simple Story Saturday.